What up, nerds? This is definitely different than my normal videos. My well pump died and I changed it, so I decided to video myself driving there. So check it out.
It's SRT4 swapped. Drive it up one.
Dorky old guy behind me in a F-150 keeps giving me the thumbs down. It's funny to me. So here is where the magic happens. That's my well pump, and it's a jet pump. I'm going to convert to a shallow well pump. So I didn't explain what I was doing about the conversion, but basically I had a deep well jet pump setup, which is like on the image on the right, which had a 1 1/4 inch line and a 1 inch line going down to my well with a jet valve or jet ejector on the bottom. So all I did was cap off the 1 inch line that went down to the well and down into the jet ejector. And I'm just using the 1 1/4 inch line to pull up from the well. I'm pulling through the venturi that I left in there and everything, and I'm not having any flow issues, and it's all currently working. So it's working for me so far. However, the plumbing from the top of my well down is only 24 feet long, so that's what works for me might not work for you, and your mileage may vary and all that. So anyway, I've rigged this together several times over the years, and I'm hoping that it comes apart pretty easy. But I was trying to diagnose it earlier. For a while, it would get stuck, and I'd spin the pump backwards, and then it would run again. But I opened this up today, and it smelled like a burned up Nintendo. So it's donezo. Get out of here, dog. Some of my dogs came to visit. So anyway, I'm gonna take this apart and get to getting. I was looking at this, and I realized that I don't have the tool to get this shark bite off down here, and I made it all solid, but I was able to get this shark bite off of the fitting up here, which is top of here. So I'm just gonna cut that, and then later on I'll splice it in. So get out of here. One of my dogs just peed on my bucket down here. I just don't like it. Oh, hell yeah. I could shut the water off to the house, but I guess it didn't all get shut off. Man, yep, I'm just gonna have to sweep all this later. I'm gonna get my drill out of the water. What a day to be doing plumbing wearing Crocs. Anyway, like I said, I've had all of this apart several times, so with a little bit of luck it should come apart. Don't fight me too hard. So this is what I bought to replace it. It is a Drummond from Harbor Freight. Just gonna see how it works, see if my idea works. So, looks like it's set up a little different than what I had, so I might have to get some more 3/4 inch piping. It did come with a power cable that I don't need, so I'm gonna disconnect that, and I did the wrong one. So that's cool. The wiring I have does not have a ground on it because this house was, a lot of the wiring was done in the 60s or the 70s, maybe the 80s if we're lucky. So a lot of it, the ground is just disregarded or not hooked up or missing. So we're just not going to worry about it for now. I'll put this together and I'll hold on to it for safekeeping. So I tried taking apart the old fitting, but it just wasn't happening. So, man, oh my God, I just walked through Home Depot looking like this. Oh my God. Anyway, I got some stuff to fix this, and we're gonna go back and have at it again. Yeah, so the first time I went through Home Depot this morning, I had a lot of people asking me if I wanted help, and then this time I walked through, I didn't have anybody asking me for help, and I really thought it was kind of funny, and I guess it's because I had the like Nick Offerman look going, like, I know more than you, leave me alone. So let's get back to the house. You can see I cobbled something together because I bought the wrong stuff. I bought Schedule 40 stuff when what I had was CPVC. They are different sizes, and I'm not a professional, so I didn't realize it. I'm going to cover up this control box a little bit for now until I realize it's all not leaking and everything. So I ran it for a second just now, but there was a tiny leak here. It sounded like it filled up with some water, so I'm going to run it for a second again. I might have to prime it because it's not picking up any water. That's why I have this. Oh, there's water. There's water right there. And a bunch of air. It just helped. Well, well, that's a deep subject. So, I guess what just happened is there was an air block, and with that, me cracking that, it backflowed, because I opened up all the valves to the house just now. So, yeah, there's water in there now, so hopefully it'll pick it up from the valve, or from the ground. Oh, it's filling up the toilet's filling. Let me shut the water valve off to the house now. I don't really like how it sounds, but how much pressure did that make? What's this thing say? About 47 pounds of pressure. Let's run it. I gotta go turn off my sink. Shit. So that's how it went. And, you know, the conversion from a, you know, deep well jet pump to a shallow well pump worked just fine, I guess, because it was only so deep. You know, it's only our piping's only 24 feet down, so it wasn't pulling too far. Our toilet has a habit of running, so it's ran for hours on end before at this point, and it hasn't burned up or acted up, so I don't see having an issue anytime soon. In the future maybe, but not anytime soon. So thanks for watching, you know, and our old day will make the jack stands go away, but sometimes you gotta deal with a crappy well pump. Thanks for watching.